Now, you know, the funny thing about you guys is me and these guys are not in contact. These guys are handled by the production crew, you know. That's another dude who gets, you know, $60,000, $70,000 a year just to coordinate the builds. So I don't even need to talk to these guys, you guys. And there's another reason though that they really don't want us necessarily interacting with the roofers, because, you know, just ask me to talk about this, you guys, later in a video. I'll try to remember, but if I forget, ask me, hey Nick, why does one entity keep you from knowing the roofers? How does that benefit anybody, right? So I'll explain that angle of it, you know, but there's a reason for that. What's up, man? It's my customer right there. How you doing today? I'm coming for that van too. I need that about probably the next couple of weeks. All right, brother. Yeah, so there's what's going on right here, you guys, is it's a beautiful thing because we all need each other in this game. And you know, like these dudes, man, up on this roof, man, even though we don't know each other, don't need to know each other, I'm still here looking out for them just because I appreciate them and I live in the neighborhood. But I don't have to do this. I'm just doing it out of the kindness of my heart, y'all. But there's a reason that some people show up and get to know the roofers, and I'll explain that, you guys, because that's the key. Knowing them is the key to not splitting money with anybody. But I'm not tripping though. I'm not looking to cut anybody out, to cut anybody's throat, any of that. But basically, I'm kind of a middleman still. So they really don't want me knowing the plug. Because them are the guys that really do the work, not me. I don't know how to build a roof. Are you fucking kidding me? Come on. You know? But this is a 10-step process, right? These guys right here, they're on about step 8. So I'm gonna get back to what I'm doing, you guys. You know, the little joints running over there, but I hope you guys can still hear me, man. I'm out.